Discover our premium drawstring trash bags, designed for every home's convenience and cleanliness. These bags are made with strong, tear-resistant material, ensuring they can handle even the toughest household waste. Each bag is designed to fit perfectly in most standard trash bins, giving you a secure fit every time. The convenient drawstring handles allow you to seal the bag tightly, keeping all waste securely inside and preventing leaks and odors. Our drawstring trash bags are the reliable choice for every household, keeping your home clean and odor-free. Choose convenience and quality with our drawstring trash bags, the perfect addition to every home.